Do you have a Cricut machine and you want to make money with it? I mean, really make money with it. Or you're already a small business owner and you're looking to make more sales? Then stick around for today's video because I am sharing my top 5 tips to make money with your Cricut machine. Hi crafters, and welcome to the Amy Makes That channel here on YouTube. If you're a returning subscriber, hello again, and if you're new here, welcome. Now I'm gonna say a few statements and I wanna know if any of them apply to you. You're unhappy with your current job in life and are looking for a more fulfilling career. You want to work from home. You like the freedom of creating your own schedule and working for yourself. You have extra time outside of your full-time job and want to start a side hustle. Or you're currently a stay-at-home parent and want to make extra income. Then I have great news because this video is definitely for you and I'm so happy that you've come across it. Now I've already shared here on YouTube on how to start a successful craft business as well as the top 5 products that you can sell with your Cricut, but that's not what today's video is going to be about. Today I'm diving a little bit deeper than that and I'm sharing all of the money-making tips that have proven to work. So if you're a crafter like me and love the Cricut and crafting tutorials, then please subscribe to my channel, Amy Makes That, for more weekly content as well as my TikTok, Instagram, Patreon, Pinterest. I got it all. Now let's not waste time and get into the video. So the first tip I'm sharing is important because this is how you're going to be able to track your progress and see if you're actually making sales. And this is to set achievable goals. I can sit here and say that I want to buy a Cricut and make 100 grand the first year I'm starting my business. Now that's great to have that kind of mindset, shoot for the stars and be positive. However, is that achievable? Is it realistic? Say you are a 9-to-5 worker and this is going to be your side hustle that you might eventually want to have your full-time job be. Making 6 figures your first year of your business means that you're cranking in orders every single day and most likely working 12 plus hours a day, not just 4 hours a night after you come home from your job. Now don't get me wrong, there are people that get lucky out there and then make 6 figures, but that doesn't happen often. And I would be standing here lying to you if I said that you make a lot of money the first year that you buy your Cricut and want to start a business with it. When you set achievable goals, for example, every month, every quarter, every year, you're able to stay focused, know where your business is at in terms of product sales, financially, and you're always progressing. Goal setting helps your business grow, and I've experienced it firsthand when it comes to my business. So if you plan on selling holiday products in the month of December, write down that goal in September and then actually implement it in October. Create the designs, buy the products, so you know what you're selling, how to make it, market it, etc. Which leads me into my second tip, and this is all about marketing. And I don't just mean social media, people. If you're selling online, okay, let's hear it. Where else are you marketing your products? Do you have advertisements? Do you attend in-person events like craft fairs or expos? Are your product photos clear and attention-grabbing for someone to click on that product and buy it? Do you optimize your content and know what SEO is? Do you have a TikTok account, Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram? Do you have a monthly email newsletter for your customers to know when your upcoming sales are and new product launches are? See what I mean? Chances are, if you're watching this video, you're not doing all of those things, right? There's always improvement. And that's why marketing is such a big part of your small business and making more sales, because you need other outlets than just your website to discover your products and make sales. This third tip is a concept that I want every single small business owner, content creator, entrepreneur, everyone to understand and know. And this is to do what you love. I see it happen so often. People want to create an Instagram account or people want to create a small business and they're making products just because they're either trending or they make the most money. And while those two things are great things to take into consideration to your small business, that should not be the main focus. What happens when those trends are gone? For example, there were thousands of shops selling personalized face masks back in 2020. People made thousands and thousands of dollars each month selling those products. But if you were someone that didn't really like making face masks and you're just doing it for the money, you're eventually going to end up really unhappy and take a big hit in your revenue. When you love doing something, that radiates into your work. So make sure that you are doing what you love. This fourth tip is probably one of the best tips I can share for making sales and making money with your Cricut. And this is to view your analytics and do your research. As an entrepreneur, it is very important to never stop learning. In this video, I share how important it is to have a targeted audience and a specific niche for your small business. But have you actually studied your target audience? Let's see if you know the following. Do you know their gender, their age, why a customer needs your product? Do you also know the analytics of your site, such as how many clicks each product gets, how many sales each product gets? If for some reason your site doesn't do that or calculate the analytics for you, then you should do it. You can make a spreadsheet on Google Sheets or Excel, and in the first column, put what items you are selling. Then for the month of October, okay, I made 8 sales on this product. I made 20 sales on this product. For the month of November, how many sales, how many clicks, etc. Then from there, you can see which products are more popular. And then you can go even further and see, okay, how can I make a product that is similar but also different? And let me try to give you an example of this. If you are someone that sells gift boxes for brides and your personalized champagne glasses are a top seller, have you ever thought of selling wine glasses with their names or more personalized name products? You should try to do a bi-weekly, weekly, or at least a monthly analytic check on your website so you can improve your products, create new items for your customers, and make more money with that Cricut of yours. It helps them and it helps you at the same time. And now we're at the last and final tip, which I think is the most impactful tip, and that is to get out of your head. I don't know if many of you know this, but your mind is so powerful. If you say that you cannot do something, and chances are, you won't be able to do it. Do you ever wonder why manifestation is so popular? I'm not saying you need to start journaling every day and manifesting every day, but manifestation is all about believing in what you can do and what you're capable of. And when you truly believe in that something, aka you truly believe that you can make money with your Cricut, you will start seeing how many more opportunities come for you and how powerful that is. Starting a business is not easy. You will feel alone, especially if you don't know anyone else that has started a business before, or if your friends and family are not supportive. But can I share someone who knows exactly what you're going through? Hi, it's me. I understand your passions, your fears, your doubts, your drive to do the things that I listed in the beginning of this video. I will be here cheering you on and saying how proud I am of you if you went ahead and started that craft business, but dreams do not work unless you do. And it starts with believing in yourself, because as long as you do, then the fears, the doubts, the negative thoughts won't matter. So that concludes today's video on how to really make money with your Cricut. Please share in the comments what tip you felt was most valuable for you, and let me know if you're interested in more craft business tip videos like today's. I love you all so much. Thank you for being here and supporting my journey. Please subscribe if you haven't already for more weekly Cricut content from me, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Bye!